If you're wondering where to watch the 2026 Golden Globes online, here is a complete TV, mobile, and smart TV guide so you don't miss a moment of Hollywood's biggest night. In the United States, the 83rd Annual Golden Globe Awards will air live on CBS starting at 8 p.m. Eastern and 5 p.m. Pacific on Sunday. January 11, 2026 will coverage of the red carpet beginning hours earlier. You can stream the full award ceremony live on Paramount Plus if you have a premium subscription that includes live CBS access, or you can use live TV streaming services that carry CBS such as YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, DirecTV Stream, and Fubo TV, many of which offer free trials. For mobile or smart TV viewing, the Paramount Plus app is available on iOS and Android devices as well as major smart TV platforms like Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, Samsung, and LG, so you can watch from your phone, tablet, or big screen. If you're outside the US, international viewers can also stream the Golden Globes on local broadcasters or their streaming platform. For example, in Canada, the show streams on City TV Plus, while in Australia, fans can watch live on Paramount Plus. No matter where you are, make sure you tune in early for the fashion and celebrity arrivals on the red carpet. And use the apps or services available on your phone or TV to enjoy the awards in real time. And that's it. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.